Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Zolnorin. Today, we will learn how can we create the gas detecting alarm using Arduino microcontroller. First of all, you will search Arduino Uno and drag it to the blank space. Now search for the breadboard and drag it to blank space. Search LCD and drag 16x2 LCD on blank space. Create some space for wiring and add new components. Search for the gas sensor and add it to blank space. Add an LED on breadboard. Change its color to green. Add one more LED on breadboard. Search for the buzzer and add it to the blank space. Add 1 kilo ohm resistance and attach it to the cathode of the red LED. Add one more 1 kilo ohm resistance and attach it to the cathode of the green LED. Attach 1 kilo ohm resistance between the buzzer and breadboard negative terminals. Short the breadboard negative terminal with the other side of negative terminal. Short the breadboard positive terminal with the other side of positive terminal. Connect the other side of LED resistances with the negative terminal of breadboard. Connect the Arduino 5V pin with the breadboard positive terminal. Connect the Arduino ground pin with the breadboard negative terminal. Connect the buzzer positive terminal with the D4 of Arduino. Connect the green LED anode with the D3 of Arduino. Connect the red LED anode with the D2 of Arduino. It's time to connect the LCD. Short the LCD GND with breadboard negative terminal. Short the LCD power pin with breadboard positive terminal. Add a potentiometer to breadboard. Short the right terminal of potentiometer with breadboard negative terminal. Short the left terminal of potentiometer with breadboard positive terminal. Connect the wiper terminal of potentiometer with LCD contrast pin. Short the read-write pin of LCD with breadboard negative terminal. Connect the register select pin of LCD with the D5 of the Arduino. Connect the enable pin of LCD with the D6 of the Arduino. Connect the DB4 pin of LCD with the D10 of the Arduino. Connect the DB5 pin of LCD with the D9 of the Arduino. Connect the DB6 pin of LCD with the D8 of the Arduino. Connect the DB7 pin of LCD with the D7 of the Arduino. Take one more resistance of 1 kilo ohm and connect it between the LCD anode and positive terminal of breadboard. Short the LCD cathode with the negative terminal of breadboard. It's time to connect the gas sensor. Connect the A1, H1, and A2 of gas sensor with the positive terminal of breadboard. Connect the B1 of gas sensor with a 0 pin of Arduino. Place 1 kilo ohm resistance between the 2 terminal of gas sensor and breadboard negative terminal. Short the gas sensor H2 with the negative terminal of breadboard. Press the code button and change it to text form. Paste the code given in the description. Press the button Start Simulation and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more.